Hey friends, welcome back to Puzzle Pedia. Total question 25. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time at any point. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe and write down your scores in comment section. Let's get started. Here is first question. Question number 1. The square root of 100 is 10. Question number 2. All birds can fly. Choose the right option. Question number 3. A group of lions is called herd. Question number 4. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Question number 5. The Amazon River flows through Brazil. Question number 6. Japan is called the land of the rising sun. Question number 7. Humans breathe out oxygen. Question number 8. The Atlantic Ocean is the deepest ocean. Question number 9. Spiders are insects. Question number 10. The capital of Italy is Rome. Question number 11. A hexagon has 6 sides. Question number 12. The product of any two negative number is positive. Question number 13. The human brain has 2 hemispheres. Question number 14. Photosynthesis occurs in animal cell. Question number 15. Electricity is measured in a volt. Question number 16. Oxygen makes up 50% of the Earth's atmosphere. Question number 17. The boiling point of water is lower at higher altitudes. Question number 18. A group of wolves is called a pack. Question number 19. A kangaroo's baby is called a concube. Question number 20. All snakes are venomous. Question number 21. The sun is the largest star in the universe. Question number 22. The Andes are the longest mountain range in the world. Question number 23. The number 1000 is a cube number. Question number 24. The currency of Japan is the yen. Question number 25. The square root of 81 is 7. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting quizzes and press the bell icon.